The Cypress PSoC 6 BLE Pioneer Kit lets developers work with the longer battery life, flexibility, and security provided by the PSoC 6 MCU portfolio. The kit is based on a PSoC 63 MCU, which features a high-performance 150 MHz ARM Cortex-M4 and a low-power 100 MHz Cortex-M0 Plus, eliminating the need to compromise between performance and power consumption. The PSoC 63 also integrates BLE 5.0, Secure Boot, and cryptographic functions to simplify development of secure IoT devices, and Cypress's advanced CapSense for proximity detection, sliders, and buttons, which are supported on the board. The board provides Arduino compatibility and onboard BLE antenna, and Cypress's EasyPD CCG3 Type-C system for power delivery, and the kit includes a 2.7-inch e-ink display.